my channel. It's me, Vanessa, and today we're going to be doing a Shein try on haul. So I've actually just got my parcel now. It only just came like in the mail, and I didn't do a video of me doing it online, but my parcel is here and I'm really excited to see what's inside. So the first thing are these Apple Watch things. This is for my Apple Watch. So basically on my Apple Watch I have these little charm things, and it's so here and it's so cute. I actually really love it because I wanted something for my Apple Watch for a really long time. I'll show you guys what it looks like with my Apple Watch on. Some of these because I don't know, I just saw a lot of people in my school having these and I really wanted to get some of my own. They're little spoonies. They are pink little spoonies. They're very cute. They come in like a pack of like 50 if I'm not wrong. Cute. And I absolutely love them. The item that I got from Shein is this Sunday picnic oil set. It's so cute and I absolutely love it. So it comes with a chocolate cake, a cherry cake and a rainbow cake. It's really pretty, and I actually had it upside down, but it's really pretty. So I'm assuming this is the rainbow cake, this is the cherry cake, and this is a chocolate cake. It's really pretty and really cute, especially during the summer. These cute little earring bangles. It's so much for like one set. It's so cute, and I would definitely recommend getting it for the summer, especially if you want some cute little hoop earrings that will make you look good, especially in school. That's if you're allowed to wear hoop earrings in school, but it's definitely the cutest thing ever, and I would definitely recommend getting it. Ta-da! This is to do more with the lip balms because I absolutely love a good lip balm. So this is a cute Shein Glam hot gloss pumping gloss because, you know, we need some plump lips. That is going to be good, especially for the summer that's coming up right now. And it's so cute. It doesn't want to come out of the packaging, but it's so cute and so pretty. It comes like a clear gloss. It's really pretty. I absolutely love it. It comes like a clear gloss and it looks really pretty. I especially love these little like oil things, especially when it comes with the little brush. It looks so cute. Okay, I love the application. Okay, some cute little nails because, you know, we need some cute little nails for school. It's so cute. They come with little French tips and a little heart. They're so pretty and so cute. I would definitely recommend getting these on Shein, or any nails off of Shein. I would definitely recommend getting. And then I got this really cute thing for my Apple Watch again, because I feel like I have got a lot of stuff for my Apple Watch and I never get anything just right for my Apple Watch. So here is my Apple Watch thing. This basically goes onto my Apple Watch and it's almost like a charm bracelet. So it's like kind of mixing in a little bit of jewelry with my watch. I'm really excited to put this on my watch and see how it looks. It's so pretty and so cute. Absolutely love it. I have this cute thing for my phone. So right now my phone is charging, but I would put this on my phone like so. Oh gosh, it's not really pulling it out so roughly. But I would put this on my phone like so. And it's really cute because it just comes as like a 2 little pack, and you put it as like a little protector for your camera, and it's really pretty. I would definitely recommend getting it. Going onwards, we have this. This is so cute because I don't know why. I've just been wanting to get like a charm bling kind of look for my Apple Watch, and I just feel like this and this are gonna make my Apple Watch look spectacular. Like, they're gonna make them look so good, and it even protects my Apple Watch as well. So I'm really excited for my ear. Just realized I didn't get the other pack, but I've got 3 piercings for my ear. So these come, so there's 2 E's and then there should be a V here. So it comes as a pack. So there's V-E-E for my name because everyone calls me V, especially my parents and like my mom and my dad, etc. They absolutely love calling me that. So I thought it would be a great idea if I got some earrings inspired by Kim K's earrings, because I'm not gonna lie, I love that era where she had Kim on her ears. So I kind of just wanted to get like something similar. So I got some cute little V earrings that I will be putting on for the try on haul. And I would recommend getting some of this stuff, especially this set for summer. This is what you need. Like, there's so many flavors, and I'm honestly, if I had more time, I would have got so much more, and I would have definitely got so many more lip gloss things, because I don't know why, I just love lip gloss, especially when it's the summer and you need a little bit of lippy. That brings us to the end of the video. I hope you guys like the video. Some of the stuff I wasn't able to put on for the try on haul, but I just wanted to show you the Apple Watch thing and the lip glosses because they're so cute and so pretty. And hopefully you do a little Shein shopping trip, because I know some of the stuff that I ordered didn't actually come here on time. So if I do eventually get those stuff on time, then I may be doing a part 2 to this video. But hopefully you guys enjoyed. If you did, make sure to like, comment and subscribe, and I will see you next time on this channel. Bye.